Welcome back to the mix, and making it into today's story is Dwayne once again, as he load up the people. As when I'm in Jamaica, I'm a different person. When I have no behavior, he says, I will encourage anyone to step to me, and that will be the day that they will say, Dwayne, people do something to them, or let them step to me, because me can pay off government a little money for Lego off of my shirt. Me can't do that in England, he says. When me there in England, me a softy. But make them step to me, and then you will hear about it. When me there JA, me a jankro, me nah no behavior. Stay tuned for the story in detail, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share on my channel. Here is a preview of the video.
Be careful of thief. Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys one more time. This is the last time I'm gonna say this. I roll with bad people in Jamaica. Thugs. Bad bumbleclad people roll with Jamaica. Listen, hear me well, people of social media. On the face of me, an idiot. The people around me are big. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. I'm not afraid I'm not post-wall out here. Think a joke? I'm not afraid of nobody. But that bad. Fuck with me. Listen, when I'm in Jamaica, when I'm in England, it's two different people. When we're at Jamaica, the dirty drunk come out of me. When we're at England, the soft dirty drunk come out of me. Right? Because I have to adhere to the UK's whatever. When we're at Jamaica, me a drunk. Me a dirty stinking. I wouldn't use the word terror. The one there, wrist. I wouldn't use that one. But me, rank smarty. Nobody. If them think them bad, step to me. Step to me. I encourage anyone, all face them big, bad and bold. Step to me. That will be the day only when I say, Jesus Christ! The boy from Facebook doing Fletcher people them bust me up. Them all got pop if them have life, them gonna draft for them live. Look for me good. I'm telling the real shit right now, real things. I'm no fool. When me at Jamaica, I say, listen. The people that say this man doing, you all go for the machine. I said, nah man, leave that. On know what machine mean, da. On know what machine mean. Pick sense out of nonsense. You want me go for the machine? I said, nah. Left the machine right there. When they put them thing there. Me they have to have fun. No distraction. No distraction. When you ever say machine, pow, pow, pow! Alright. When me down Jamaica, me a drunk. I'm telling you guys real shit. No word of a lie. When me up on the island, how would I put it? How would I put it? Yo. Me have no behavior when me there Jamaica, no behavior.
Hold on.
None at all. Step to any possible. You know what? You know why I step to them? Because I can't pay them off. I look pay off the government. I look how money for leg of my shirt. Can't do them thing in England. Can't do them thing in Great Britain. Can't do it out here though. Trust me.
Please go like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.